So look at this. I'll just change it to ta-da! And I change it to can now. Ta-da! Wow! So you see that there's so many applications you can use for. Let's say I just duplicate this copy and then I change it to say yeah, Doraemon, right? And then see, this just got it done, right? So if you need to refer to the worksheet's name, then you can use these. Ta-da! This one here. You use the replace and the cells, so you can see there is a cells object and then find what? Find this symbol here, right? So why is that so? Let's just take a closer look here. So I first have the cell subject, and the first step is really just enter equal, and you see that here. Now, what's the next thing is that I'm actually using find on this. So why do I want to find this thing here? Right? Let's just take a look here. I'm gonna just put it here. Find. It gave me 110. Now this basically tells me where is that this sign here. See that? Here, this is a sign. So I just copy and then right click, paste the value, and I just want to have you to that. So there is a there's a new way. So you see that there is a sign here. If you can see it clearly. Oh, okay. So I'll just remove the hyperlink. I want to just highlight this again one more time. No, it can't. Okay. Anyway, um, let me just remove it. Um, just copy here, and paste it into a text box. So now I think you can do it. So the whole idea is to get to know where is that this sign here located. So it's 110. So if you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 until here, this will be 110. And the location is 110, or the position. So now, next thing is that if you know that it's 110, then what do you want to do with it? Replace. See the replace accept the old text and then the start number and then the number of characters with the new text. So the start number is 1. So that means from the first until the 110, you replace it with a 0. And yeah, yeah. So replace with empty string. So that's why you get a Doraemon, because basically you find out ways to remove all this here until here. It becomes 0, right? So it will be like this. That's why you get a Doraemon. Pretty cool, yeah. This trick. All right, and that is your next Excel tips. This could save some people a lot of time. Right? So you don't need to um, do this second step. Once you duplicate the worksheet and you put it there, say that cat, right? Cat, and look at that. All this a change. So you don't need to worry about that. So maybe you say the file, the worksheet name is this and so on. Or yeah, or maybe there's a label called PL, profit and loss. So you can see that you don't need to change it, right? So if I have another one, I just call it balance sheets, and that is holy shit, balance sheet, right? Just right there. So if I say this company is called Speed Excel, and that is. Is that right? So if you have to make another copy in a company called ABC and that company is called ABC, you don't need to change it. How cool is that, huh? Yeah, it's quite cool. All right, and thanks for watching. And you can get worksheets new faster than you think, right? Thanks for watching. God bless. bless you. God bless Asia. Together, we excel before 50.